Morning, sir. Wow. Wow, very good. 49 over 50. Next.
Morning, sir.
Wow, 48 over 50. Very good. Yes, sir. Sir, cut. Okay, 50 over 50. Good morning, sir. Okay, 49 over 50. Thank you po. Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmate. Okay, 48 over 50. Very good. Thank you po. Next.
Morning po, sir.
Okay, Mr. Carbona. Go on. Ano yun? Pwede po umulit. Sige, go.
Ay, bagsak na to.
Okay. Isa-isa na lang po, please. Sige, go. Okay, that's it. Sir, isa na lang po, please. Negative 10 over 50. Hindi mo na kita pag-graduate din, ha? Papuntahan mo yung parents mo dito. Maawa po kayo, sir. Sir. Next.